Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be more about cool tone. Usually I'm always all about the warm tones, golden kind of looks. I feel like this look is so perfect for the clubbing. I mean, obviously you can wear it all the time, but yes, this is something what I would wear when I go out and for the clubbing, of course. So if you're interested how I achieved it, keep on watching and keep on watching. The first palette I'm going to use Nightingale from Pretty Vulgar. First I'm going with this hide and seek shadow. Basically that's my start color. Now I'm going to take the Balm palette and I'm going to use this color here, Shower On, I guess, I don't know. I'm taking the Dose of Colors blending brush. Okay, so now I'm going to use this Morphe concealer, but I'm just going to apply it with a brush. I'm using the Sigma Cream Color brush. It's like very flat and it's going to do the job. Basically, I'm just going to create a lid. Blend it with my finger. Like so. And on my lid, I'm going to use this Clutch shade, but I'm going to use the brush for this. I'm going to take this Dark Side shadow from Pretty Vulgar. I'm going to focus here on my outer V, like so. Now I'm taking my NYX Epic Incliner, my favorite eyeliner of all time, of course. Oh, I'm just gonna wing it. So basically, I'm always starting from the middle. Oh, I'm sorry, from the start. And I'm just pulling the line like so. And I'm just gonna connect like this. My right eye is a lot thinner than my left eye, so it's always a challenge to do a eyeliner, you know. Whenever I do it like pretty similar, I'm just so, yeah, you know. I barely ever wear eyeliner, so this is good. This is good. And so for the lashes, I'm going to be using Lillylashes in style NYC. They look like this. I think they're going to go pretty nice with this look. And you have my discount code. I'm going to list it down below. So yeah, let's pop these bad boys. Like, I always cut my lashes because my eyes are really thin and small. I'm using the Clear Duo, the green one. I'm applying a thin layer first, and then I'm gonna wait for a couple of seconds and until it dries, and then I'm gonna apply the second layer. Always apply the lash while looking down like that. See, you can actually see them properly, because if you apply them straight in this direction, you'll not apply them properly and it's gonna look like a mess. So I think this is like the best. This is the best way how to apply them. For me, this is helping me a lot. For my face, I'm going to be using the OFRA Absolute Cover Foundation. This is the shade 3. It's not my favorite foundation ever, but it's good. It does the job. I just don't like the smell. That's like strange, but the shade matches perfectly. And I'm going to use my Sephora concealer in shade Custard. Just going to apply it in the middle of my nose and underneath my eyes. Concealer definitely hides my dark circles. You could actually see at the start, while I had no makeup, how bad my under eyes actually are. Sometimes when I don't have makeup, people actually ask, am I sick? And that's because I really have very, very dark circles. My dad has it, so that's what I got from him, like so bad. But never mind, whenever I put concealer, I immediately look so much awake and better. I don't care, and thank God for the concealers. Okay, I'm gonna blend this. Oh, this foundation from OFRA is really matte, and I don't personally love that. This is like maybe the second or third time I actually used this foundation. It was like, either should I use my Too Faced Born This Way or True Match, but I was like, okay, let's do something different today. Like, honestly, my face is not oily. I have very dry skin, so this kind of foundations doesn't actually suit my skin the best, but for the sake of the video, I wanted to try something different. I mean, it's not bad. My skin looks good, but overall, I just love when my skin is more like shiny and maybe oily because it's so dry. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this foundation for everybody who have really, really oily skin. I'm definitely super matte. Oh, I just love this concealer. I use this powder in shade Translucent Light. Somehow I always start from my nose like this. And the other side. It will be so much easier to contour my nose later when I apply the powder like that. Okay. Now let's just bake all over. Basically, I'm baking everywhere where I concealed, and also I'm gonna apply this powder in the middle of my nose, like that, on the tip. Now I'm gonna contour. Obviously, I'm gonna be using my Hoola bronzer. I know. This BH Cosmetics brush. It's like a, you know, fluffy brush, great for the bronzer. On my forehead as well. That's my favorite part always. Like, whenever I apply bronzer, I immediately get some color. You know, I look so much healthier and overall better. Like so. To look a little bit more natural, like that. Okay? I'm gonna also use the glossy makeup brush in number 4. It's fluffy, but you know, precise brush, right? Like an angled, precise brush. So it's gonna be great for nose contour. I'm also gonna use the Hoola bronzer for that. I'm just gonna contour a little bit on each side of my nose, just a little bit. And I always finish with a line here onto my tip of my nose because it will make it look like a button nose and a lot more shorter. Now I'm going to take the Sigma Spotlight Duster brush and just dust this away. Okay, now I'm gonna apply this Jouer blush in shade Adore Me and Hold Me. It's actually called Adore Blush Duo. Use this iconic London big fluffy round brush. I think I'm gonna go with the darker one because this one just doesn't give me anything. Oh, much better. Yeah, much better. I'm just gonna finish the face with the highlighter from Colourpop Cosmetics. This one is called, this is actually pressed powder face highlighter slash bronzer. It doesn't, I really don't see the name, I'm so sorry, but that's the color. I'm using the NYX 26 brush for that. So pretty. Just gonna highlight as much as I can. Oof, look at this nose highlight. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows because I really cannot see myself anymore. I look naked, totally naked. And for that, I'm gonna use my NYX, oh my god, Precision Brow Pencil in shade, oh my gosh, Espresso. This is the product I've been using for my eyebrows lately, and it's bomb, like literally. I don't know if you can tell, but see, like my eyebrows are a bit like bushy and messy. I personally love that, don't get me wrong. So what I actually do, I don't like them to be super perfect, obviously. So I always start from here. I do a very thin line like that, and here on top. That's actually where I miss some hairs. And then what I would do is I would just fill them in with very light strokes, like so. They're just gonna be filled in, and I'm gonna apply a line here to make them a little bit longer. And thicker. And I'm gonna mimic the hair growth on the start here. Like that. Now I'm taking this brush from Sigma and I'm just gonna brush them outwards like that. And that would be pretty much it. I'm gonna use the Gigi Hadid eyeliner in collab with Maybelline. Super dirty. I'm just gonna apply it onto my waterline. I'm so sorry guys, I have to hold my mirror, but you already know what I'm doing. Yeah, we're gonna create the drama. Because we like drama, you know? I'm gonna use the All Nighter shade, which is the darkest shade in the palette. And I'm using the short shader brush by Sigma. And I'm gonna smudge the black. Now I'm taking my Better Than Sex mascara and I'm gonna apply it onto my bottom and upper lashes. I'm taking the Cher lip liner from Gerard Cosmetics. I'm gonna line my lips. And I'm also going to use the lipstick from Pretty Vulgar. This one is called Bury Them With a Smile. We're not doing matte. And I'm going to spray my face with a Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. This one is small packaging. I just love this mist. It's so good. Okay. I'm done. Okay guys, that will be it. This is my finished result. So if you like this tutorial, please leave me your thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And that would be it. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.